Hey, and what's up guys? It is RM Moto na naman with another adventure. Gusto ko lang ipakita dito yung carbon natin, no? Angas. We got it from Shopee and yun, fits perfectly. We're starting the day off great and today 2 to 10 tayo sa side 1. Side 1 is OB, Pedia, and Surgery Ward. Transition na tayo agad guys, and here I am with my co-workers na mga fresh. And na nga, hiniram na si Tiana. Ano ito, gusto din magpa-feature ng bading na to, si Keith. It was a really toxic shift guys, pero I'm not gonna record everything. For legal purposes na rin. Anyways, done na yung shift and may nakasabayan tayo ditong tropa, si Astig Nurse, oh. Wave ka muna. Chill na lang pa uwi, konting kwentuhan. I'm not gonna advise you guys na gawin yung ginagawa namin, like sinasakop yung buong lane kasi it is very dangerous, so be advised na lang. That was my 8-hour shift done and dito na tayo sa bahay, pauwi na. An exhausting day pero it was all worth it. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.